have a conversation about your water. I don't think the issue of hard water is talked about enough. Water is a key element in the success or failure of your wavy curly hair wash day, but it tends to be the thing that we think about the least. We look at our products, we look at our application technique, we look at what the weather is like that day, but we don't necessarily think to Google what the water hardness is in your hometown. And because I'm Courtney, we're gonna get a little bit sciencey. What is hard water exactly? Water hardness refers to the concentration of dissolved minerals in the water, usually referencing calcium and magnesium. Hard water causes buildup in pipes, on faucets, appliances, can reduce the lathering of your soap or shampoo, and it can leave a residue on your hair that makes it more difficult for your hair to absorb your products. We spend so much time, money, and effort investing in our curly hair products, but if we have hard water buildup on our hair that blocks our hair from benefiting from those, you could say it's like rinsing money down the drain. And hard water is typically measured in grams per gallon or parts per million. Hard water can make wavy curly hair feel dry and brittle, way more prone to tangling. You may even notice buildup on your scalp being more itchy, dry, tight, and just in general, irritable. Now, you could totally invest thousands of dollars in a water softening system for your entire home, or even purchase one of those shower filters that filters your water in your shower, which I haven't found one yet that takes out calcium and magnesium. They typically just remove chlorine, but I'm concerned with calcium and magnesium buildup. Sure, chlorine is damaging and I kind of want to avoid it because I'm on city water where I live, and I have chlorinated water, but I need it to also remove calcium and magnesium. Does anybody know of a shower filter that actually does that? Because I don't. Anyway, instead of the water softening system or the shower filters, you could just use a chelating shampoo. What is chelating or chelating? I've heard it pronounced both ways. It is a shampoo specifically designed to remove hard water buildup from your hair, which leads me to the sponsor of today's video, Curlsmith. We love Curlsmith on this channel. I don't ever talk about products that I don't absolutely love, brands that I absolutely trust, and Curlsmith has done us the courtesy of creating a brand new chelating shampoo. Let me show you how I took my hair from this wild rat's nest of a mess. Hold on, let's just take a moment and look at this hair. It has been roughly a month since I used a chelating shampoo on my hair in these clips. It's pretty scary. I know, look at this. Like, what is happening? Why did I go so long without chelating my hair? I don't know. Pretty bad, I know. Let me show you exactly how I use the new Curlsmith Detox shampoo. I have used a ton of chelating shampoos in the past, and when I tell you that they are so strong and so stripping, I am not kidding. Which is one reason this Curl Reset Detox shampoo from Curlsmith is so exciting. Now, you may remember the old detox shampoo from Curlsmith that I've been talking about for literal years at this point. I am sad to announce that it is being discontinued. However, this product is taking its place, and it has a lot of the same awesome ingredients in it that the old detox shampoo has. The only big differences are that this shampoo is not a scrub and it's chelating. It has peppermint oil, apple cider vinegar, ginger root, and I asked Curlsmith specifically about their chelating agent because from what I understand, most companies use an ingredient called disodium EDTA as their chelator, but this is a really strong, harsh ingredient. But this is the response that I got from Curlsmith when I asked them specifically about their chelating agent. They wanted to use a much more gentle ingredient, which is a blend of two ingredients marked on the ingredients label as phytic acid and sodium gluconate. As curly girls, we love reading ingredients labels and pointing to one single ingredient on the ingredients deck and saying, yep, that ingredient does this. But in reality, it's how the ingredients are formulated together that make them do things like be able to chelate. This is something that I'm learning the longer that I'm paying attention to ingredients and ingredients labels. Oftentimes, you really can't tell much about the product from just reading the ingredients label. You think you can, and you think you know all this stuff and things, but the more you learn, the less you know. And the way a product is formulated tends to be pretty proprietary. We don't necessarily get the whole picture from just the ingredients label on the back of the bottle. You can learn some, but not everything. Another thing that makes this particular chelating shampoo incredibly unique is that it does not overstrip the hair. Most chelating shampoos leave my hair feeling really dry and straw-like and brittle and fragile, but this one makes my hair feel soft and clean at the same time. It's safe to be used every 4 to 5 washes. Now we're going in for the second cleanse. It does specifically say to wash, rinse, and repeat with this shampoo. And I can really appreciate that because this is a deep cleansing shampoo that can remove up to 86% buildup and 87% of hard water minerals in one wash. I want to make sure that I give this shampoo every chance to get all that hard water off of my hair. Now I'm going in with the Curlsmith multitasking conditioner, just a smidgen here, rubbing it in my hands to make sure that it's nice and emulsified and smooth. I just love the texture of this stuff. This is one of the few 3-in-1 products that is truly 3-in-1. Like it can actually do 3 things really well. Today, I'm using it as a little bit of a deep conditioner. My hair didn't feel like it needed a deep condition, but you know what? Might as well. And now I'm just going to rinse this product out nice and thoroughly. You could use this as a rinse out conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, or a deep conditioner. And who even am I? What am I doing? Yes, your eyes do not deceive you. I am working on my upright brush styling technique. This has been the bane of my wavy curly hair existence for years at this point. But one of my curl resolutions for 2025 was to work on getting better at the brush styling. So I'm trying. This is not a tutorial on brush styling. This is me testing it out, trying to figure out a method that I can put the Courtney stamp of approval on and show you full in-depth details later. Now we're just locking all this style in place with the Curlsmith Hydro Style Flexi Jelly. So hydrating, so moisturizing, has some really nice hold, glazing it over and scrunching it in. This is what the wet curl clumps are looking like. Looking pretty good, pretty juicy, pretty happy with that. And here are the results once I have scrunched out the crunch and fluffed. I diffused my hair to 90% dry, let it finish air drying, then scrunched and fluffed it. These are the results. Oh my goodness, so shiny and juicy and shiny and juicy. Can we just appreciate how much better this hair is looking than it looked at the beginning of the video? Yes, here, refresh your memory. This is what it was looking like when we first started this process. Why does it look so much lighter? It's almost like the hard water buildup on my hair was making my hair look lighter and duller. Like, where is the shine? Where did it go? And not to mention the amount of buildup frizz I have at my roots is pretty atrocious. But in the after, my hair is frizz-free and shiny. It's so much better. There are so many options out there for chelating shampoos, but the Curlsmith one is really unique in the sense that it is not insanely stripping or clarifying. Before the Curlsmith Detox shampoo existed, I would use chelating shampoos with great caution and very sparingly because they were so harsh and so stripping. I basically had to deep condition my hair with heat every single time. But the Detox shampoo from Curlsmith is gentle enough, I feel like I can incorporate it way more frequently into my routine without the fear of it messing up my hair. And since I have such incredibly hard water where I live, that is an extremely good thing. So if you've been in the market for a chelating shampoo or have tried chelating shampoos in the past that you've just been like, no, way too stripping, you may want to check this one out. I will have a coupon code down below for you if you feel like checking it out. No pressure. I'm just trying to do my best to be as helpful as humanly possible to you and your healthy hair journey. I try out all the products, I test them out, I let you know what works and what doesn't. And I'm not afraid to say when I don't like a product, but this particular product I am quite impressed with. As always, I sure hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!